There's no doubting the fact that the carbon fiber helmets are the safest and the lightest.
However, you do have to pay way more than usual to get your hands on one of these helmets.
Lucky for you, there is one material which is cheaper than carbon fiber and a lot sturdier than just regular old polycarbonate. It even weighs less as compared to polycarbonate helmets. This material is known as glass fiber. Glass fiber absorbs the impact very efficiently without letting its user's head feel any of the weight or pressure of any direct hits to the ground, in the events of a crash, of course. It does that by spreading out the impact throughout the surface. So even on higher speeds, on higher impacts, it provides better safety. This helmet is much lighter than that of regular old polycarbonate, so it provides much better comfort and better weight distribution. Sure, you have to spend a little more than average to get a hold on one of these helmets, but ask yourself this: can you really put a price on safety, considering you're riding on Indian roads? The glass fiber helmets find themselves just bang in the center of the more durable carbon fiber helmets and the regular old polycarbonate helmets. Safety-wise, it finds itself bang in the center as well. So for most bikers, this is the ideal choice. So that was our video about the glass fiber helmet. If you're looking for more products, you can find them on our website at bikesterglobal.com. My name is Orion from Bikester Global, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!